Your kitchen is the heart of your home. More than just a room with appliances, it's the central hub where the rhythm of your family's life unfolds. It's a space designed for comfort, connection, and care. It's where you gather, catching up on the day's events over a cup of tea or preparing a meal together. It's where you share stories, celebrate milestones, and find comfort on difficult days. And most importantly, it's where you nourish your family, carefully choosing ingredients to build a foundation of health and well-being. We put so much love and intention into making our homes warm and welcoming sanctuaries. But what if some of the everyday items we rely on are not as safe as we think? That thought can catch you off guard, creating a flicker of unease in the one place you should feel most secure. We try so hard to make healthy choices, buying organic produce, reading nutrition labels, and cooking from scratch. Yet hidden dangers can lurk in the very drawers and cupboards we use every day, quietly undermining our best efforts. This isn't about creating fear or adding to your mental load. It's a gentle call to look closer, to become more aware of what we bring into our homes. It's about empowerment, making simple, informed swaps that protect your family's health. Our mission today is to guide you through that process. We'll identify 5 common toxic kitchen items and offer 5 clear, practical fixes. This is about taking small, manageable steps toward creating a truly safe haven. One step at a time. Let's open your utensil drawer. It's a space we reach into multiple times a day, often without a second thought. Most of us have a collection of black plastic ladles, spatulas, and spoons. They're affordable, lightweight, and promise not to scratch our pans. They feel like a practical modern kitchen staple, but that convenience comes with a hidden cost. They seem harmless until heat meets plastic. The issue often starts with the color. Many black plastics are made from a cocktail of recycled materials to achieve that deep, uniform shade. Some of this material even comes from e-waste, like old electronics casings. To prevent electronics from catching fire, manufacturers use chemicals called brominated flame retardants. Those chemicals are essential for a computer, but they do not belong anywhere near our food. When you rest that ladle in a hot pot of soup, the heat can cause these tiny, invisible chemicals to leach out of the plastic and directly into your meal. It gets worse over time. Look closely at your older utensils. Scratches, nicks, and melted spots create more surface area, accelerating this chemical transfer. And if you see a piece is physically missing, where do you think it went? Chances are, we ate it. These are called microplastics. It's not just black plastic. Many types of plastic can shed particles and chemicals with exposure to heat, acidic foods, and even the high temperatures in a dishwasher. Some tools also have non-stick coatings that can contain PFAS, often called forever chemicals, because they don't break down in our bodies or the environment. But the fix is simple, and you have fantastic options. Choose wood for its natural, gentle touch, perfect for stirring sauces and sautéing. For strength, scraping, and high heat flipping, nothing beats durable stainless steel. And for flexibility, go with certified food-grade silicone. It's heat-resistant, non-porous, and won't leach harmful substances. Just look for certifications like FDA grade or LFGB to ensure its purity. These materials are safer, more durable, and frankly beautiful additions to any kitchen. Plastic tubs get cloudy, scratched, and stained. That's breakdown. Putting hot food into plastic speeds chemical leaching. Takeout containers, designed for single use, not for daily reuse. Heat and wash cycles break them down fast. Swap to glass. It's inert. It won't leach, no matter the heat. You can see your food. It stays fresher. It tastes cleaner. Many glass dishes go fridge to microwave or oven effortlessly. For on the go, use stainless steel. Light, tough, reliable. Reusable silicone bags beat single-use plastics. Start with 1 or 2 glass pieces. Replace the worst plastic first. Small switch, big peace of mind. Plug-ins, sprays, scented trash bags. Common, but not clean. Fragrance can hide hundreds of chemicals. You breathe them in. They go straight into your lungs and bloodstream. Indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoors. These chemicals can hit kids and older adults harder. They can trigger headaches, asthma, and irritation. Step 1. Remove synthetic scents. Fix the source. Take out the trash. Then open a window. Want a scent? Simmer lemon, cinnamon, or herbs, simple and natural. Clean with vinegar, baking soda, and unscented products. Your lungs will thank you. We often buy the same foods without thinking. Recipes change, ingredients change. You must check. Watch for artificial dyes, carrageenan, and gums. These thickeners add texture, but not health. Skip artificial flavors, heavy preservatives, and cheap seed oils like palm. On screen, short list, better. I checked a fancy ricotta, packed with thickeners. The store brand, milk, vinegar, salt. Done. Tip, snap a pic and zoom. 10 seconds is enough. Start with 5 staples: cereal, yogurt, bread, sauces, snacks. Make the shorter, cleaner list your default. This habit keeps more toxins out than almost anything else. The non-stick pan. It promised us perfectly flipped pancakes and effortless cleanup, a true kitchen revolution. But that convenience often comes with a hidden cost, one that's worth a closer look. The secret to that slick surface often involves a class of chemicals called PFAS. You might have heard them called forever chemicals, because they don't easily break down in the environment or in our bodies. Over time, with repeated exposure, they can accumulate. While the science is still evolving, some studies have linked high levels of certain PFAS to health concerns, making it a wise area for caution in our daily lives. The risk increases when the pan's surface is compromised. Even one tiny scratch from a metal utensil opens the door for microscopic flakes and chemicals to potentially leach into your food, especially when heated. So, here's a simple decision tree. If your pan is pristine, with no scratches or wear, you can continue using it with care. Stick to wood or silicone utensils. But if you see any nicks, chips, deep scratches, or peeling, that's a huge red flag. The pan is no longer performing as it should, and it's time to replace it. Be cautious even with pans marketed as green or ceramic. Some can still contain different types of non-stick coatings under a ceramic-style top layer. If a brand isn't completely transparent about what its non-stick surface is made of, it's best to just skip it. For a truly safe and durable kitchen, choose uncoated materials like stainless steel and cast iron. They are time-tested, tough, and contain no mystery coatings. With a little care, a well-seasoned cast iron skillet develops a natural, nearly non-stick surface that only gets better with age. You don't need to buy expensive new sets. Thrift stores and flea markets are fantastic places to find high-quality, pre-loved pieces that will last a lifetime. And when it's time to get rid of a damaged pan, please throw it away. Don't donate a potential hazard for another family to unknowingly use. Swap plastic utensils for wood, stainless, or food-grade silicone. Swap plastic tubs for glass or stainless. Ditch synthetic scents. Open a window. Clean simple. Read labels. Short and recognizable wins. Replace damaged nonstick with cast iron or stainless. Today, remove one bad item, just one. Add one safe tool. That's a win. Next week, replace a container, then a pan. Step by step, small choices stack up into a safer, happier kitchen. You've got this. Your home is your story. Make it beautiful and healthy for the people you love most. One item, one fix. Start now.